Designed in collaboration with Automobili Pininfarina, the Battista Tourbillon is Bovet's tribute to the groundbreaking pure electric Battista GT Hyper Car. To create this head-turning timepiece, the House of Bovet merged the best of traditional and modern watchmaking techniques. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. But for now, buckle up and keep on watching as we go hands-on with the new BOVET Battista Tourbillon to discover how this hypercar-inspired timepiece looks and performs on the wrist. As an authorized retailer of Bovet timepieces, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest Bovet models, including a selection of Battista Tourbillon models. Visit us at one of our boutiques in Geneva, Zurich or Lucerne, or browse our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Bovet has had a relationship with renowned Italian design studio Pininfarina for many years, producing creations such as the 80, Cambiano, 82, 83, Sergio and 86. However, the Battista Tourbillon marks Bovet's first collaboration with Pininfarina's sister company, Automobili Pininfarina, which was formed in 2018. Automobili Pininfarina's flagship car is the Battista, a high-performance luxury electric hypercar boasting 1,900 horsepower, 4 electric motors, a maximum speed of 350 km per hour, and incredible style. Bovet and Automobili Pininfarina unveiled the Battista Tourbillon in 2021, and as we will soon see, the timepiece draws plenty of design cues from the spectacular car. If we look closely at the dashboard-styled face of the Battista Tourbillon, the car-inspired details become evident. For instance, the Battista's powertrain and technology come to life with the signature E-heart at the center back of the car. On the Battista Tourbillon, the same E-heart shape is used for the aperture of the big date indication at 3 o'clock. On the opposite side of the dial at 9 o'clock sits the power reserve indicator, which spans an impressive 10 days. The power reserve dial is decorated with the famous Pininfarina collaborative flags where F is for Pininfarina and the lotus flower is for Bovet. At the 6 o'clock position, we see the Bovet patented double-sided 60-second flying tourbillon whirling away. The cage of the flying tourbillon borrows its design from the Battista Impulso alloy wheels. Note the beautiful two-tone shade of the blue subdials that float above the skeletonized dial, taken from the unique Battista Iconica blue color palette and decorated with the triangolo pattern. What's more, this is the first Bovet timepiece where the subdials are asymmetrical. Together, the pair of asymmetrical subdials form the shape of the number 90, in honor of the Battista Anniversario model and Pininfarina's 90-year history. The luminous blue hour and minute hands placed at the center are also asymmetrical, styled after elements of the car. They point to luminous indices placed on a suspended blue hour track around the periphery. Moving to the 12 o'clock position, right above the Bovet 1822 logo, is the patented spherical rewinding system. This is the company's differential winding mechanism that reduces the number of turns the crown needs to wind the timepiece to its full power. A 10 days power reserve would typically require twice as many turns of the crown to wind. However, the exclusive winding system in the Battista Tourbillon and its spherical differential halves this number despite using only a single barrel. If we flip the timepiece around, we get a different, yet just as impressive view of the movement powering the timepiece. Note the form of the two-tone bridges and plates that evoke the chassis and roof of the Battista car. With design input from Automobili Pininfarina, Bovet developed an entirely new in-house movement specifically for the Battista Tourbillon. It's made of over 400 parts, all hand-decorated, and beats at a frequency of 18,000 vibrations per hour. To house the striking dial and movement, Bovet created a transparent 45.6mm Grade 5 titanium case consisting of 2 large sapphire crystals. This construction offers a fantastic view of the technical inner workings of the timepiece from every direction. If we look at the sides of the timepiece, we see the mirror-polished Grade 5 titanium core. Crafting a sapphire case is exceptionally difficult. However, the use of this transparent material allows light to flood the timepiece from all angles and is the perfect choice in our opinion. As is tradition for Bovet, the crown is placed at the 12 o'clock position on the case. This famous Bovet bow has been redesigned to suit the aesthetics of the sportier Battista Tourbillon. In reference to the Battista's use of sustainable materials, the Battista Tourbillon timepiece is paired with a 100% vegan rubber strap rather than a traditional alligator one. Despite its large size and imposing presence, the Battista Tourbillon is exceedingly comfortable on the wrist. The thoughtful placement of the Bovet bow at the top, coupled with the slim profile of the case, allows the timepiece to fit a range of wrist sizes. Moreover, the timepiece is incredibly lightweight too. Since the House of Bovet makes everything in-house and spends an extraordinary amount of time and effort on hand finishing and decoration, the independent timepiece manufacturer only produces less than 1,000 pieces a year. As such, all Bovet timepieces are rare and made with a serious high horology connoisseur in mind. The ultra-exclusive Bovet Battista Tourbillon in titanium is priced at 318,000 Swiss francs and limited to only 30 pieces. The Battista Tourbillon would be ideal for fans of the incredible Battista Hyper Car and collectors of ultra-complicated timepieces alike. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations in Zurich, Geneva and Lucerne to discover our collection of Bovet timepieces. Alternatively, you can also visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a timepiece within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. So if you need a specific timepiece right now, Les Ambassadeurs will be at your doorstep with your new timepiece in a flash. What do you think of the Bovet Battista Tourbillon timepiece designed in collaboration with Automobili Pininfarina? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this timepiece or any other Bovet timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest timepiece reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.